So, I was thinking before Mewtwo, I'm gonna find the legendary birds. So, I found one of them. I have one in my inventory. I just got my Charmander, literally. So, yeah, he's not gonna stay alive for that long. So, it's an electric type. I'm gonna have to use him. Water ice type bird versus electric type bird. Both legendaries. Ice beam. Ooh. Dang it. Stronger. Oh shoot. Oh, that would have hurt him bad if he didn't use that move. I want to use a Thunderbolt. Oh yeah, it's gonna get me low too. I'm paralyzed. Can't dodge any of his attacks. But he's only level 50 and I have level 60 guys. I'm dead. So I think the only move I can do is Thunder, so this should be easy catch. Just keep using water types, it looks like. Okay, level 60 Dugong. What would I use? Okay, I think Waterfall would work pretty good. He can't one-hit me. Yeah. For now, he's gonna kill me, so I'm just gonna go with Ice Beam. Yeah. If I got to 1 health, I might already won this game. So I have 3 minutes left now. Okay, let's get this battle over with. Tentacruel. Use Hydro Pump. He can't kill me. How did he do that? What the heck? Oh yeah, more of a water type. Let's make all my guys except for Pikachu. This is not turning out good. Ice Beam. Yeah, it's up to Pikachu. Okay, so I have a rock type move, and I have 2 fighting and electric type. I'm gonna do a Brick Break. Might be the only good option here. Okay, one more. If he doesn't kill me. Sweet. Okay. Dig will do it. Dig will get this over with. Use Thunderbolt, which is weak against Pikachu. I burrowed over the ground, so I dodge his next attack. And now I dodge that and I use Dig on him, which doesn't affect his effectiveness. Break. It's gonna kill him. This is it. Come on. Yes! I beat him. It's my only chance to catch him. I only have 1 Master Ball. I'm not gonna waste it. Dang it. I'm waiting to use my Master Ball on Mewtwo. You know what? No. I have to do it. I'm trying to catch them all. It's automatic hit. Alright, got him. Can't break out of a Master Ball. gonna be the right choice. I'm just running out of time. Okay, and this may catching is up to us.